these interesting vlogs. Hope you are doing absolutely fine and great. I'm doing great. So today it's a very special video because we are going to discuss about drinking water or potable water treatment. So before going into this process, how is a water purification process of water, let's know what does this drinking water or potable water mean. Obviously everyone know the water which is suitable for human consumption is called as drinking water, potable water. It contains some minerals and also some dissolved gases which adds taste to it, and drinking water or potable water should be free from color, odor, taste, and it should be slightly alkaline. It should have 8.0 pH. Yes, it should not be completely neutral like 7.0 pH. It should at least have 8.0 pH level. So yeah, let's get started with our purification process. So today our topic is on what? Today our topic is on drinking water or potable water treatment. That is, how is water purified? Purification, one purification technique of the water. Actually, I have performed a demonstration on this topic in my school today, and I even wanted to share this demo with you all. Basically, let's get started with the as you guys saw the setup in the beginning of this video. That is the actual setup of my demonstration, but let's understand the demonstration more detailedly with this diagram on our whiteboard. So let's get started. So first of all, water from reservoir enters into the water purification process, water treatment plant. Now first of all, this water enters into the valve house, and in this house the speed of the water is controlled. That is, the flow of water is controlled. It controls the flow of water. Now what is the reason of controlling the flow of water? The reason for controlling the flow of water is because when the movement of the water slows down, there is a greater possibility of the suspended matter to settle down at the bottom of the tank as sediment. So that is the reason why the flow of water is controlled in the valve house. Now from this valve house, it is entered into the mixing chamber. But before entering into the mixing chamber, it is first mixed with alum. Okay, from the alum feeder, the alum gets mixed in the water, and like in this mixing chamber, it gets mixed with alum. Now you may ask, what is alum? Alum is an inorganic compound. It is positively charged, and this is the formula of alum. And there are different types of alum like potash alum, soda alum, ammonia alum. There are so many kinds of alum. So now, what does this alum do? There are some minute particles in the impure water. Now this alum whatever the particle is there, it attracts those minute particles. Now once the alum attracts these minute particles, the particles enter into the next sedimentation tank, where the alum along with those small minute particles, they get attracted, and due to heavy mass, they get settled as they get settled in the bottom of the sedimentation tank as precipitate. So precipitate settles in the sedimentation tank. Now from here, the water is moved on into the chlorination tank. Now see, once the water is purified completely, when alum settled down, now the pure water is sent here. Now in this is called as sand, gravel and charcoal bed. Now what is the main purpose of the sand, charcoal and gravel bed? The main purpose of this bed is to, sand purifies the smaller particles, gravel purifies the larger particles such as bugs, twigs, rats and debris. And even this sand makes the water clean. Yes, it gives a purified look to the water. And then the charcoal obviously it will purify the water by killing the bacteria and some chemicals in the water. Now from here, the water is moved on to the chlorination tank, where the chlorine gas. Now after such a big process of filtration, even the water contains microorganisms or pathogens such as bacteria, fungi, virus, which can cause diseases. These are disease causing microorganisms or pathogens, right? Now to kill those pathogens, chlorine gas is passed into the water so that the pathogens can kill. So once the pathogens get killed, once the chlorination is done in chlorination tank, it is moved on to the aeration tank. So what is the main purpose of this aeration tank is to, here the water is pumped into the air in the form of snow so that it gets exposed to the sun rays, because the sun rays kills germs. So for that purpose, it is pumped into the aeration tank, and obviously from the aeration tank, it is pumped into the cities, it is pumped into the overhead tanks. Now from the overhead tanks, it enters into the house through pipelines, and we use the water for our daily use. So this is what the total process of the total process of this water treatment plant the total process of water treatment plant is. I hope you understood the concept. Now let's move on to a demonstration. That's very important, right? So yeah friends, let's get started with the water treatment plant. So first of all, let's start with this. Can you see what is this called? This is sedimentation. The sediment, the suspended matter in the water got settled at the bottom of the tank in the form of sediment. Now after this sedimentation, the water goes through decantation. So this is decantation. Now the water is transformed into the filtration tank, where as you can see this is a screen bar. There is a screen bar. What happens is that once the water enters into the tank, the twigs, bugs, debris or any other large particles get collected over behind the screen bars. Now it enters into the front of the screen bar. Now what happens is that alum is being added into this. This is called as alum feeder. I hope you can understand. Just said, why is alum added into this? Yeah, to collect this minute particles. As you can see, these kind of minute particles get attracted towards the alum, right? They get attracted towards the alum. So once they get attracted towards the alum, the water is sent into the sedimentation tank. Here the alum settle down and the water is moved on to the sand bed. Sand, charcoal and gravel bed. So let's see what is this sand, charcoal and gravel bed detailing. So this is what a sand, charcoal and gravel bed looks like. So as you can see, this is the sand, charcoal and gravel bed. So this is charcoal, this is gravel and this is sand. As I said, why is the sand, charcoal and gravel bed used? From the sand, charcoal and gravel bed, it enters into the chlorination tank. Now you already know why does it enter into the chlorination tank. After the filtration also, there are still some particles, like not particles but some pathogens which are present in the water, which have to be killed, or else if not killed, obviously those pathogens will cause diseases. So here the chlorine gas is passed into the water to kill the pathogens. And at last, this is what the aeration tank is. So in this aeration tank, the water is pumped into the air in the form of snow, so that, as you can see, a little sun here. So from the sun, what happens is that this sun, because of this rays of the sun, the germs in the water gets killed. So here comes the end of the video. I hope you all got to know something about the water treatment plant. So I'll meet you all with another new video very soon. Till then, goodbye and take care. Bye.